G'day legends, welcome back to the channel where we uncover the coolest tech and creative tools on the planet. Today we're diving headfirst into the wild world of free, unlimited AI video generators that are changing the way creators make content. I've scoured every corner of the internet to bring you the absolute best tools for creating mind-blowing videos, without spending a single cent and with no hidden catches. Forget boring lists. I'm showing you the top contenders, hidden gems you've probably never heard of, and the clever hacks to get the most out of each platform, even if you're a total beginner. We're talking about tools that can turn your wildest text prompts into moving pictures, bringing your ideas to life in just a few clicks, or animate your still images into something magical and totally unique, perfect for social media, presentations, or just wowing your friends. I'll share my secret tips, from navigating quirky international sites that most people overlook, to making so-called limited credits feel practically unlimited, so you can keep creating without ever worrying about paywalls. This is your ultimate guide to becoming an AI video wizard. No wallet required, just your imagination and a bit of curiosity. Let's get into it. First up, Stepfun AI, a hidden gem from China with truly unlimited free video generation. The only real hurdle, the site's in Chinese, but your browser's translate feature makes it easy to navigate. Don't be intimidated by the unfamiliar interface. A few awkward translations are a small price for unlimited AI video power. Stick with me as we walk through sign-up and quirks. This tool is absolutely worth it. Ever tried signing up for Stepfun and found yourself stuck because the country drop-down just won't work when the site's in English? It's a super common issue that can leave you feeling totally confused and annoyed, especially when you're eager to get started with their AI tools. But don't worry, here's a simple fix that works every time. Just switch the website language back to Chinese, pick your country from the drop-down menu, and then change the language back to English once you're done. It's a strange little bug, but this quick trick lets you breeze right past the problem in just a few seconds, no tech skills required. Think of it as your own secret cheat code for unlocking all the features Stepfun has to offer and impressing your friends with your clever workaround. Don't let a tiny glitch keep you from exploring free, unlimited AI video creation. Now you know exactly how to get started, hassle-free. Need a phone number for verification? Use temporaryphonenumber.com for free, disposable numbers from around the world. No personal info, no hassle. Just pick a number, get your code, and you're in. This is essential for signing up to new platforms while keeping your real number private. It's a simple hack that unlocks a world of free AI tools. Before pasting your temp number into Stepfun, remove the country code if you've already selected the country in the drop-down. This tiny detail prevents errors and ensures smooth verification. Once you get your code from temporaryphonenumber.com, paste it in and you're ready to create. Attention to these small steps makes all the difference with new AI tools. You're in. Welcome to Stepfun AI, your creative playground for turning ideas into dynamic videos. With Stepfun AI, you can easily generate stunning videos from simple text prompts, or bring your own images to life with just a few clicks. Just type a description and watch the AI transform your words into motion, or upload a still image and see it animated in seconds, right before your eyes. Choose from a variety of built-in themes and motion prompts to get professional-looking results, even if you're brand new to AI video tools. Animate logos, product shots, or experiment with wild, creative ideas. There's no limit to what you can make. Stepfun makes AI video creation accessible to everyone, empowering you to create, share, and inspire with ease. Stepfun generates 5-second videos, short, but perfect for social media, intros, or B-roll. The quality is impressive for a free tool, especially with creative prompts. Experiment with your wording for the best results. When it hits, it really hits. 5 seconds of AI brilliance can be more impactful than a minute of boring footage. Next up, Quen, a conversational AI that creates videos, articles, and images. Its chat-based interface lets you refine ideas naturally. Just talk to it, and it generates content. Quen's multi-talented approach saves time and sparks creativity. We'll focus on its video skills, but don't overlook its other features. Let's see how to get started and what to expect from Quen's video generation. Getting started with Quen is a breeze. Just log in with Google and you're ready to go. Quen specializes in text-to-video, so your prompts are the key to great results. No image uploads here. Describe your scene and let your imagination run wild. If you love painting pictures with words, Quen is your playground. Quen takes about 10 minutes to generate each video. Slower than some, but the quality is worth the wait. Think of it as slow cooking for richer, more polished results. Don't let the wait time put you off. The end product can be stunning. Use the downtime to brainstorm your next prompt. Sometimes, patience pays off with truly impressive AI videos. Quen offers multiple model styles, cinematic, anime, photorealistic, and more, so you can match your video's look to your vision. Its image generator is also sharp, perfect for custom thumbnails or concept art. Experiment with different styles for unique results. The synergy between image and video tools is a big win. If you're enjoying these tips, hit like, comment your favorite tool, and subscribe for more. Meet ChatGM, another free powerhouse from China. This one's friendlier to global phone numbers. It offers both text-to-video and image-to-video, so you can start with a prompt or an image. The interface may need translation, but the features are worth it. Let's dive into what you get with ChatGM's free plan. ChatGM's free plan gives you daily allowances for features like sound effects and 5-second video clips. The catch: free videos come with a watermark. For personal projects or testing, that's fine. But for pro use, you'll need to upgrade. Still, it's a generous free tier for experimenting. Just remember, watermark = free tier. ChatGM's image-to-video is fast and smooth. Just 3 minutes for lively animations from your stills. It handles everything from landscapes to character art with natural motion, but its text-to-video is less reliable. Outputs can be abstract or off-target. If you want to animate images, ChatGM shines. For text prompts, results may vary. ChatGM also has an image generator, handy for quick visuals or mock-ups. It's decent for basic needs, but don't expect Google-level photorealism or detail. For simple graphics, it's a useful add-on. If you want state-of-the-art images, look elsewhere, but as a free extra, it's not bad at all. Enter Magi AI, free, but with limited credits per account. Here's the hack. Use Gmail aliases to create unlimited accounts, each with fresh credits. It's not breaking rules, just smart use of email features to maximize free video creation. Let's unlock Magi AI's full potential. With Gmail aliases, like your name plus magi1@gmail.com, you can make endless Magi AI accounts, each with new credits. Track your aliases in a Google Sheet for easy management. This turns Magi AI into a virtually unlimited resource. Peak resourcefulness for free AI video power. Magi AI charges 10 credits per second of video, up to 10 seconds per clip. Each new alias account gives you enough credits for several videos. You can render multiple videos at once. Each takes about 4 minutes. 10-second clips are perfect for impactful content. Parallel processing means you can create more, faster. Magi AI's video quality varies. Some prompts miss, but when it hits, results can be excellent. Experiment with your wording to find what works best. With unlimited credits, you're free to iterate and discover hidden gems. Don't get discouraged by a few duds. The treasure hunt is part of the fun. For the best raw video quality, check out VO2 via Google AI Studio. 8-second watermark-free clips with stunning visuals, often rendered in just 40 seconds. The catch? There's a waitlist, but it's worth signing up. If you get access, this will be your go-to for premium AI video. Don't miss out, get on the list. Can't access VO2? Try Whisk, another Google tool using the same model. You get 10 free videos per month, each 8 seconds, no watermark. Workflow, generate an image in Whisk, then animate it into a video. You can't upload your own images, but the quality is top tier. Whisk is perfect for sampling Google's AI video magic. That's it, legends. You now have the tools and hacks to create incredible AI videos for free. If you found this valuable, hit like, comment your favorite tool, and subscribe for more. We've only scratched the surface of AI's potential. Let's keep exploring together. Until next time, keep creating and innovating.